We left Antigua for a place we selected as the longest stay we have in any one area for this whole trip. For the next month, we'll be exploring Lake Atitlan's many villages and towns, and we found an excellent home base by which to do so.
I guess that's okay, hey? Over here, looks all right. We have arrived in beautiful San Juan La Laguna. Already all of these towns look so charming. I'm so excited to explore. If you know a town that's awesome in the Lake Atitlan area, tell me, and I'll go there. This way? Yeah. Hi, pups. So just out in the wild here, we're seeing lots of coffee growing, bananas, pineapples.
Coffee?
More coffee. And already lots of friendly faces. I have a lot to say about Guatemala. It's kind of what I expected, but so much not what I expected as well. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Sweet.
Our room has a bit of a view, but the terrace and kitchen area at the top has a better one.
Lake Atitlan. Incredible.
Let's look at the room we got for $26 Canadian per day.
Oh, that's a view. That counts as a view. What kind of hotel or room can you get on Lake Atitlan for a reasonable price? Well, one that isn't perfectly quiet, as you can hear, but one that is perfectly cute and quite large. Keep in mind, I booked well in advance, at least 4 or 5 months. It's Casa Argentina in San Juan La Laguna. Anyway, let's take a look. Art on the doors. We got groceries, which I'm going to show you about in upcoming videos, but it's got a humble first bedroom, a fan, a window, a shelf. Basic enough. Take a look at the bathroom. It's 2 sinks. Ooh. Ooh, how nice. And there's a shower room. And a toilet room. Pretty simple, but lovely. So that's room number 1. Not bad if this was it, but there's a whole other area that we could use as well. Oh, but before we do, what is brick?
Baby, don't hurt me.
What? Why the brick?
It holds door.
What is brick happening? Well, it's got this cool door. It's fine. There's another desk and some art, a mirror, and a TV, and a couple more beds. And then out this side, it's not a view. There's a view of a puppy. That's pretty cute. See? Hey, pups. Yeah. I'm your neighbor now for a month. There's a whole other room. So, are you in the Atitlan area and you need a place to crash? So what do you think? $20 US, all that space. A caveat once again is that it was booked well in advance. And there are other rooms available at this price in this area. They just might not be as big. Okay? What do you think? Did we score, or is it a little bit janky? What do you think about the toucan art on the wall? You like toucans? Wow. For me, I like them so much. There are 3 cans. 4 cans. Anyway, comfortable, spacious, in a cute and quaint area. For vegan everywhere in a pretty darn cool, unique little apartment covered in folk art. I'm David.